I wrecked my back about a month ago. Have some lumbar issues when I sit down. I feel like there's like a ball in here. So I was really having a lot of problems I'm really having some problems with my back. This has really made my days like bearable in a chair. So I have a pretty good chair here, but I got this kit off of Amazon and I'm very happy with it. I bring this cushion basically with me everywhere. It's now like my best friend, and I like this lumbar support. What I do is I kind of push it up, and it does connect, but I've been taking this off and on. At night, if I sit on the couch, I actually take this, I connect it to a pillow, and I put the pillow behind me, and then this connected to the pillow. So I have some lumbar support. So I don't know, I got an appointment on Monday to go see the orthopedic doctor. But yeah, it's got two retention clips here. I'm just throwing it on there on and off throughout the day because I'm sitting in different areas. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't move around. It's got like these rubber feet on the bottom. This seems to stay in place. Every once in a while, I push it up and then I kind of scoot my butt back here so that this hits the lower of my back, and it really just takes all the pressure off everything for a while. So yeah, I recommend it. I like it, and I'm happy with it. So I just want to make a quick video.